In this video, you will find out how you can find more information about the software and help you with self-learning. First of all, if you let the mouse cursor hover over a tool on the toolbar, it opens up a tooltip. This tooltip provides information about the specific tool. Practically, you can see a brief description of that tool. The main resource of information though is the Help menu. You can see the contents of the user guide and expand the section you need. The Help window can be undocked and moved to the position you prefer. Change the size to match your reading habits and the available screen size. While reading a topic, you can temporarily hide the table of contents to increase the available space. You can also search through the index for a specific subject. Or use the text search. At any point, if the Help dialog is not visible, you can press the F1 key to bring it up. Another way to have quick help about a tool is to use the Show Help On option. When pressing the Show Help On option, you can click on any tool and the user guide is loaded in the specific section that describes the selected tool. Last but not least, there is the printable version of the user guide for those who may want to have the guide in paper. Using the print option, you can print any portion of the user guide you need or even all of it. You can also access the printable version of the user guide using the Start menu, then choose Program menu and load the user guide. Finally, in the About option, there is some other information about the software. There you can see the software serial number, the installed program version of the software, even the specific build. This information is useful when you need to contact the official technical support.